I can't cook much, but I am willing to give making a stir-fry a try. I like using pork. It's not as tough as beef. And then it's whatever vegetables we have available. We always seem to have a good supply of carrots, capsicum, broccoli. Then onion and pineapple add to the flavour. The first task is to chop the vegetables. If you hadn't realised, I can't chop this quickly in real life. Thank goodness for the speed control in the editing program. Then it's time to cook. A spoonful of peanut oil starts the process. Then it's a matter of cooking the meat first and getting it the right sort of brown and taking it out of the wok when it's ready. Then the vegetables go in, putting those which I imagine will take longest to cook first. The carrots. And then the capsicum, the onion, and finally the broccoli. When the vegetables are well cooked through, it's time to add back the meat, the pineapple and some sauce, and heat everything well together. I forgot to mention that the rice is already cooking in the microwave. It'll be ready soon. I serve the rice first, and then the mixture of meat and vegetables that comes out of the wok. Finally, it's ready to eat. A good healthy meal which tastes very nice, but not quite as so good as scrambled eggs on toast.